Join Lingocamp and enjoy our new activities. Where can I find Lingocamp? First, remember to update the Lingokids app. Done? Now let's start. 1. Open the app. 2. Click on the first collection for all the Lingocamp activities. Can't see the Lingocamp? Swipe left, click the blue button, and refresh the activities. 3. Choose the activity you want. Just go back to the Lingocamp collection. See you at camp! Happy play learning!